Welcome to our beginner's guide to managing hypoglycemia with Amiclear. Hypoglycemia, or low blood sugar, is a common but serious problem for many people, especially those with diabetes. It can lead to a variety of symptoms like shakiness, anxiety, and heart palpitations. Today we are going to learn about Amiclear, the beneficial supplement that may help manage this condition. Amiclear is a unique blend of root extracts including licorice root, astragalus root, and Jerusalem artichoke. These plant extracts are believed to help stabilize blood sugar levels, helping to prevent the low blood sugar episodes that hypoglycemia patients often experience. It's a natural way to help manage your blood sugar levels in combination with the right diet and exercise. Using Amiclear is a straightforward process. Simply add it to your routine, taking 2 capsules daily with meals, or as directed by your healthcare professional. Always make sure to monitor your blood sugar levels regularly when starting any new supplement regimen, adjusting your dosage as needed. Remember, while Amiclear can be an important part of your management strategy, it is not a replacement for a healthy diet and lifestyle. Regular exercise, a balanced and nutritious diet, and adequate sleep are all critical components for managing hypoglycemia effectively.